Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fatur Rahman Sanjaya. I am from class PAI 2D. Here I will explain the content of YouTube video again, give my opinion, and explain Al-Ghazali philosophy. Passage 1. Summary of the video. The video is an interview with Professor Frank Grifel from Yale University about his book Al-Ghazali's Philosophical Theology. In the interview, he explains who Al-Ghazali was one of the most important thinkers in the Islamic world. Many people think that Al-Ghazali was against philosophy because he criticized other Muslim philosophers like Ibn Sina. But according to Prof. Grifel, Al-Ghazali did not reject philosophy completely. Instead, he took some of its ideas and included them in Islamic theology. Prof. Grifel did deep research, reading many old handwritten books by Al-Ghazali, some of which were never printed. He found that Al-Ghazali believed in both types of creation, that God creates everything every moment, and also creates rules for nature to follow casuality. Al-Ghazali's goal was to show that belief in good and using reason can go together. He also believed that science is not against religion. In fact, science can help people understand God better. Passage 2. My personal opinion. In my opinion, what Prof. Grifel said about Al-Ghazali is very interesting. I used to think Al-Ghazali was someone who didn't like philosophy at all, but after learning more, I see that he was very wise. He didn't just reject ideas, he thought carefully about which ones made sense and used them to support his beliefs. He was not afraid to take knowledge from different sources as long as it helped him get closer to the truth. I also like how Prof. Grifel showed that Al-Ghazali supported learning and science. Many people today think religion and science cannot work together, but Al-Ghazali proved that they can. For me, this makes him a good example of how to think deeply, stay true to faith, and still respect reason and knowledge. Passage 3. Al-Ghazali's philosophy according to me. For me, Al-Ghazali's philosophy is about balance. He believed that reason and faith can live side by side. He used his mind to understand the world, but always remembered that everything comes from God. His way of thinking shows that truth does not only come from logic or science, but also from the heart and soul. He believed in cleaning the soul through prayer, remembering God and doing good. Al-Ghazali My message is that real happiness comes from knowing and loving God. His teachings remind us that we don't need to choose between thinking and believing. We can do both. His ideas are not only wise, but also peaceful and full of light. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.